Transavia lining up. Transavia lining up. That's Airbus, and then you have what is going all the way, and then we have Pegasus. Fly Pegasus.com. That's 8321, and then we have Airbus 8321 as well, which is Transavia's one. Has a lineup on runway, and then this is a standing takeoff, obviously. Beautiful Pegasus. Pegasus 8321 Neo, and then we have 8320. There we go, full power. It is. That's a Hotel XL, X-Ray Sierra Juliet. Wow, there's a Corsair. Fly Pegasus on standby, waiting for the clearance, and then we have Vueling. Waiting on runway, lined up already. There we go, wedding. 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 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Mike Golf Yankee. Eco Charlie Mike Golf Yankee.